Good morning, guys. It's cold. So if we're cold, the animal's probably cold. So we're gonna take these 55-gallon barrels that we use this one for feed. We'd put grass in it and let the goats eat out of it. But a lot of people throw these away, need to get rid of them. We got them off for free from I think it was a car wash that had soap in it. And so we've used some for water troughs and stuff like that, clean them out real nice. So we're gonna turn these into dog beds and goat beds. Since this one was already cut, I'm just gonna cut it straight down and turn it into a little goat pen, or for not a pen, but a house for either the little goats when they're born or the puppies. This is plenty big enough for them to get in there. It still blocks the wind. It has another hole in there, but it doesn't really matter. So we'll just fill that with hay, and that'll be for the puppies or little goats. Now for the dogs, we're gonna have it lay on its side like this, and I'm gonna cut the opening right here. Then we fill it with hay. That way they can crawl in and stay warm. So now that we cut this opening, Jared thinks it needs to be a little bigger, but I think it's fine. So to prove that the dog's gonna get in there, I'm gonna get in there. Hopefully I don't get stuck.
He thinks he's so confident, if he can't fit in there, he's got to eat this wood chip. You have to be able to fit all the way in.
Jared, stop. Okay. I think the dogs can fit. So, since I proved Jared wrong and I fit, I'm a decent sized human, but we have dogs bigger than us. So we're gonna cut this one more right here. That way they can kind of get in easier and lay down.
So this one's gonna be for the little mini goats. Then we have one with the smaller hole for the puppies. The one Jason's on is for the bigger dogs. And then we have this one for the
Other big
small
dogs.
and medium dogs.
Let's go put some hay in it and see if they like it.
This one's a little bit deeper, so it should keep them pretty warm in there. This one's for the mid-sized dogs. This one's a pretty good size. Put a lot of hay in there for them to lay in. It's gonna block the winds on both sides. It's inside the barn, so it shouldn't be too windy in here. And of course we have the puppies already playing in theirs, playing hide and seek.
As you can tell, little guy in here likes it. him and his little buddy could easily fit in there together, and I think they're really gonna enjoy it. See, they both fit really good together in there. Plenty of room, they'll stay nice and warm. They got a nice little window. So we don't have a barrel big enough for this guy, but those are some ways to make some houses for your animals for super cheap or free. We got them for free. I see them all the time on Craigslist and Facebook Market for really cheap. They just need to get rid of them. So just get creative. You can use them for housing for your animals. You could put water, make water troughs out of them. We've done that for the dogs and the goats and stuff. So just get creative. You don't have to spend a lot of money to have animals, and the cheaper you can do it and feed them and house them, the better off you'll be.